Andy here from BRS Battery. Let me tell you what we do differently on our batteries. We're from Northern Ontario. We know the cold, we know those machines needs to start. Now what makes our batteries so different is how we prepare them. First of all, we get grade A batteries right from overseas. Yes, I know they all come from overseas. We make sure we buy top quality. Number two is how you fill them up. So we fill them up properly and we let them sit for 24 hours. We let the plates absorb the electrolyte before we actually charge them. When you charge the battery, it's called forming the plates. Now there's another little secret we do, which I'll show you right now. Now one of our specialized processes is charging the battery before it reaches you on high frequency chargers. These chargers form the plates specifically to boost the power out of the batteries. It creates greater surface area on the plates, which actually gives you more power. Again, when it's minus 30 up here in Northern Ontario, we need a battery to start our engines.
Battery Specialist Force is our specialized equipment, has special superchargers that charges in very high frequency, and that's what gives us 100% capacity in all our batteries.
So again, before it's shipped out, we filled them up properly, we high frequency charged them. Now just before it leaves the shop and we pack it, put it in the box, we check the voltage and we record everything here on this label. So what we do, hook up a battery voltmeter on here. Each individual battery has to read higher than 12.6 volts. So what we do, we record this information right on the top sticker here. We write down the date and we write down the voltage. Obviously when you open the box, you'll see the reading right on there. So then you know the battery is 100% ready to go. Every battery that's leaving the shop, we check the voltage, we write down the date and the voltage. The voltage should read higher than 12.6 volts. Representing that the battery is fully charged. Next, we make sure that it is packaged properly. As we all know, the carriers kind of just throw the boxes. We bubble wrap each individual battery, making sure that when you do receive the battery, there is no damage. Every battery is wrapped into the box. Then we keep adding cardboard all around the battery, again to further protect it during shipping. Everything is packed neat and tidy. There is no way for the box or the battery to ship inside the box. And yes, we do this to each individual battery. All the battery box are labeled. It says fragile, handle with care. All AGM batteries are non-spillable, which we have that sticker as well. And then basically what we do, we put the shipping label on them, and then it's ready to go. And yes, it might not be the same way as Amazon and every other company do it. We do it right the first time, so the customer is satisfied every time. Thank you.